This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jesus Alvarez. Welcome home to your amazing and beautiful, just renovated, 1-bedroom 1-bath condo that offers a marvelous kitchen with wood cabinets plus granite tops, new stainless steel appliances and an inside laundry with washer and dryer. Your new aesthetically pleasing home is located in the outstanding and unique city of Winter Park, Seminole County. Your second floor and unit has recently been renovated to include a new roof, plumbing, laminated and tile floors, interior and exterior paint. Your breath will be taken away once you step into this gem and experience the open floor plan that maximizes space and creates a seamless flow throughout your living areas. You will know this is the one to call home. Plus, the prime location of your new home is unbeatable with nearby colleges that include Rollins College, UCF, and Full Sail that are just a very short drive to get to. But best of all, you will be close to the iconic Park Avenue in downtown Winter Park, where you will find and be able to explore trendy shops, dine at top-notch restaurants, and immerse yourself in a vibrant atmosphere that can only be experienced here. It doesn't stop there. Your new home will place you walking distance and the convenience of having a shopping plaza that features a Starbucks, Publix and TJ Max, to ensure that all your shopping needs are met and just steps away. Nevertheless, today you might just want to stay home and enjoy what your community has to offer you. Get ready to experience the perfect blend of functionality of this prime location with all the desirable community amenities it has to offer you. A private and newly renovated extraordinary facilities center with an oversized community pool that offers a barbecue area, an impressive fitness center and with large, gated, tennis courts for residents only or just relax and enjoy your private balcony at home. Please don't miss this incredible opportunity. Schedule your private showing today and submit your offer to own and call this gem home. For more information, review the details below.